Welcome back, Code AIS. This tutorial is going to be a very simple, straightforward method to detect object using YOLOv9 model. For this purpose, we'll be using only 6 lines of code and Ultralytics package to test the model on an image. So let's get started. We have opened Jupyter Notebook on our local using Anaconda prompt, and I have already created this Jupyter Notebook. First step will be to install Ultralytics package. If you already have installed Ultralytics package, please make a habit of updating it, like reinstalling it using -U. What it will do is it will ensure that it has all the updated changes, because in Ultralytics, gradually with days, they keep on adding different changes. They push different changes. So always reinstall by using -U. Once it is done, you can import YOLO model from Ultralytics by just doing from Ultralytics import YOLO. It will ensure that it is importing all the YOLO dependencies from Ultralytics and all the codes of accessing the YOLO model. Now we have imported the YOLO models related files and dependencies. What we can do is we will pass the weight file name. You can pass any of the YOLOv8 file name, any of the YOLOv9 weight file name, right? Even YOLOv9 contains different kinds of weight, like gradient weight, other weights. So you can pass any of the name and it will automatically download and install inside the variable you have passed. So right now I have passed a variable name model. Inside that I am using this YOLO command and I am providing the YOLO weight file name, and it will download and import this weight inside this model, right? So this will contain the model's weight file. So I'm going to run it again and it has the weight file. Now what we can do is we want to do prediction on this model. So just by the name model, which has the model now, dot predict, and inside that pass the image name. So right now my YOLOv9 inference.ipynb is on the desktop, and the image which I want to do test is also on desktop. So I have just passed the test.jpg file name. If it is inside some other directory, you can just give the whole part of that image and put it inside the predict function. So by doing just model.predict and the image part, you can perform the object detection using this YOLOv9 weight file of the model. As you can see, it has done a prediction and it has predicted that there is one person and one dog, and it took 825 by 3 millisecond, 0.3 millisecond time to do this prediction. So now we have the result stored inside this result variable, and you can access this result variable using result first instance, that is bracket 0, and then dot show. This is dot show is the new change and new update, which will ensure that you can directly see and open the predicted output. So just you can see, yes, so this way you can just directly show the predicted image output, and you can see this was the test image and it has predicted this as a dog and as a person. So simple and straightforward. So dot show was not previously there, but now it is there and you can show it, right? Also you can save this result. So result bracket 0 dot save. What it will ensure is it will, my original image name was test.jpg, and it has appended this results.jpg underscore dot test.jpg. So basically it has appended the result variable and underscore before this test.jpg, and it is saving this predicted result inside the same directory where our test.jpg is. As you can see, this is the result file. Yes, so it has saved the result. So these two things, like you can directly do dot show on result, and you can save dot result directly from the command prompt. This has been added recently by Ultralytics. Earlier what we used to do is we used to provide the parameters like save text txt equals to true, save equals to true, and all that, and that way it used to save. But right now we can directly access it and do it by doing dot show and dot save. I hope this tutorial was useful to you in any way, and if you haven't started performing detection, you can just start it and test it using this straightforward simple steps. If it was helpful to you, please do like, share and subscribe my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much and keep watching my videos. Bye bye.